Welcome to St. Joseph's Open Web based learning platform. So ye learn for a soulful and enriching e-learning experience. संत जोसेफ महिला महाविद्यालयः विशाखपट्टनम संस्कृत विभागः Sanskrit video classes for degree students by Dr. D. Koteswar Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of Sanskrit, St. Joseph's College for Women, Autonomous, Visakhapatnam. Now I am explaining the long answer question from the lesson Panigrahanam for first degree second semester students. The objectives to enable the students to know the structure of ancient Sanskrit literature, improve the basic skills of reading and writing in Sanskrit, focus on different types of literature, develop creative talents. The literary objectives are ideal representation of marriage and dharma, symbolism of cosmic harmony, aesthetic and emotional depth, exploration of gender roles and women's dignity, equity of royal dynasty. Topics covered in Module 1. Unit 1 Prachina Sahityam, Ancient Poetry. Lesson name Panigrahanam from Raghuvamsha by Kalidasa. Vyasa Prasnaha, it means essay questions. Pratipadardaha, Sandarbha Vakyani. Lagu Prasnaha means short answers. What are the essay questions from the Panigrahanam? Vyasa Prasnaha. Question number 1. Hastena hastam parigruhya vadvaha sa rajasonuhu sutaram chakase visidayata. Adhava, it means are. Question number 2. Ajendumatyor vivaha kramam nirupayata. Adhava. Question number 3. Panigrahanam iti patyabhagasya saramsyam ligata. It means write a summary of passage emphasizing the wedding process, the emotional response of the people involved, and the symbolism of the union between Aja and Indumati. Introduction. Overview of the text. Start by introducing Kalidasa. Pataha Panigrahanam. Kavihi Kalidasaha. Moolagrandaha Raghuvamsam. Sargaha Saptama Sarga. About Kalidasa is regarded as one of the greatest poet of Sanskrit literature, often referred to as the Guru of Poets. He lived in Ujjaini during the 1st century and is known for his works that emphasize Indian culture and values. His writings often include profound insights in the Indian mythology, society, and morality. Raghuvamsha is one of the most significant works describing the royal dynasty of Raghu and their deeds. What are the works of the great poet Kalidasa? Kalidasa Virachita Grandaha. There are Raghuvamsam, Meghadutam, Kumara Sambhavam, Abhignan Shakuntalam, Rutusamharam, Vikramourvasiyam, Malavikagni Mitram, etc. About Kalidasa. Adunikeshu upalabdeshu pramaneshu asritya Kavikula Guru Kalidasaha Ujjainyam Vasati. Kalidasa is regarded as one of the greatest poets of Sanskrit literature, often referred to as the Guru of Poets. कालः च क्रीस्तपूर्वं प्रथमशताब्दी इति विद्वांसः कथयन्ति. He lived in Ujjaini during the 1st century. स्वकाव्येषु सर्वेषु भारतीयसंस्कृतेः महत्त्वं प्रकटयन् अयं कविः संस्कृतसाहित्यं दृश्य-श्रव्यकाव्यभेदैः सम्पोषयति. His works that emphasize Indian culture and values. His writings often include profound insights into Indian mythology, society, and morality. यद्यपि विश्वे सर्वासु भाषासु प्रतिभाशालिनः कवयः अजायन्त, तदापि अद्यापि कालिदाससदृशः कविः नास्ति इत्येतत् सत्यं वचः. It means it is true that no other poet in the entire universe matches Kalidasa's talent. प्रस्तुत पाठ्यभागः महाकवि कालिदास विरचित रघुवंशः इति काव्ये सप्तमसर्गात् गृहीतः. The present lesson Panigrahanam is taken from Raghuvamsha written by Kalidasa. This specific passage is from the 7th sarga of the Raghuvamsha. अस्मिन् पाठे विदर्भराजः भोजः स्वचरणं योग्यवरुणेन सह इन्दुमत्याः नगरप्रवेशं वर्णयति. It describes the marriage of Indumati and Aja in Vidarbha, present-day Maharashtra. Vidarbha king Bhoja leads the royal procession describing the magnificence of the city of Indumati. Purvakada. Previous story. Raghumaharajasya putraha Ajaha Vidarbharajakumari इंदुमत्या स्वयंवरे प्रतिरूपेण स्वीकृतः. तथा स्वयंवरमहोत्सवः बहिः प्रवृत्तः. अनन्तरम् इंदुमत्याः सह अजः विदर्भनगरं प्रवेशं कृतवान्. Indumati's marriage procession. The passage starts with the arrival of Aja and Indumati in the city. प्रस्तुत कथा प्रेजेंट स्टोरी. इंद्रधनुषः सदृशं विविधवर्णविराजितं तोरणेन भूषितं राजमार्गं गत्वा ते नगरं प्रविशन्. The royal path is decorated with colorful rainbow like arches that represent divine beauty and richness. This highlights significance of their arrival. नगरस्त्रियः स्वकृत्यं परित्यज्य उत्साहेन नगरद्वारं समागच्छत्. As the procession enters, women from the city stop their daily tasks and come to see them. नगरस्त्रीणां कृत्यं. Representation of the women. कोऽपि महिलाः स्वकेशेषु पुष्पाणि संस्थापयन्त्याः अर्धं मञ्जरीं धारयन्ति त्वरा कृतवती. Women are described performing their duties in haste and excitement. अन्याः चरणेषु नूपुरं संयोजयन्त्याः एकं चरणं नूपुरयुक्तं अपरं नूपुरवर्जितं त्वरया आगच्छति. अन्या च नेत्रयोः केवलं दक्षिणेन नेत्रे काजलं कृत्वा वामे अकार्यं त्वरया दृष्टवती. अन्याः वस्त्रं कृत्वा विलम्बेन गृहमुखे प्राप्ताः. Some are beautify themselves with flowers, while others wear anklets. This shows the cultural context where beauty and adornment are valued in society, and also gives insight into their emotions. They feel a sense of pride and joy in welcoming the royal couple. Strinam Vicharaha, thoughts of the women. श्रियः मनसि चिन्तयन्ति इयम् इन्दुमती अन्ये राजानः परित्यज्य अजं पतिरूपेण स्वीकृतवती एतत् परमं साधु. The passage shares the inner thoughts of the women, where they admire Indumati for choosing Aja as the husband over other princes. Their admiration releases a sense of respect for Indumati's choice. यदि ब्रह्म एषौ अन्यथैव न मिलितवन्तः स्यात् तर्हि येषां सौन्दर्यं वृथा अभविष्यत्. They also reflect the belief that beauty and virtue should align with the wise decision. विवाहः, the marriage ceremony. ततो अजः विदर्भराजस्य गृहं प्रविश्य प्राङ्गणे राजगुरुणा अग्निं साक्षी कृत्वा इन्दुमत्याः हस्तं स्वकरेण गृहीतवान्. Aja enters the palace and takes Indumati's hand in marriage in the presence of the sacred fire, with the royal priest Rajaguru as a witness. ततोः चित्तसंयोगः पूर्वजन्मस्य स्मारकं समजातः. The couple's marriage is described as being a reflection of past lives and union of soul. अग्नि प्रदक्षिण काले तौ मेरुपर्वतमिव परिवृत्तौ. As the couple circles the sacred fire, they are compared to the Mount Meru, symbolizing their unshakable and steady bond. विवाहं सम्पूर्णं कृत्वा राजाः बान्धवान् सखीं च आहूय अक्षतैराशीः प्रदत्तवन्तः. After the marriage, the king and other royal figures bless the couple with rice and other symbols of prosperity. उपसंहारः, conclusion. एवं रघुवंशकाव्ये सप्तमसर्गे भारतीयसंस्कृतेः आदर्शं विवाहं चित्रितम्. The ideal marriage is mentioned in the 7th chapter of the Raghuvamsha. यत्र प्रेम विश्वासं संस्कारं च सुस्पष्टम् अभिव्यक्तम्. The ideal marriage in ancient Indian society based on love, trust and cultural values. The importance of family bonds and the role of spiritual and cultural values in the union. Now I am discussing about short answers. Lagu prasnaha. Ajalokana tatparanam purasundarinam visheshtitani kidrusyani babuva. How were the actions of the women who came to see King Aja? Answer. Ajalokana tatparanam purasundarinam visheshtitani tyaktanyakaryani babuva. The actions of the women who came see Aja had no other duties. Question number 2. Ajaha pauravadhu mukodgataha kidrusihi kada asrunot. What type of words of the city women were heard by Aja? Answer. अजः पौरवधू मुखोद्गताः श्रोत्रसुखाः कदाः अशृणोत्. Aja listened to the words of the women which were pleasing to the ear. Question number 3. भोजपतेः पुरोधा कथं वधूवरौ संगमयांचकार. How did the priest of the king Bhoja unite the couple? Answer. भोजपतेः पुरोधा अग्निं साक्षिणं विधाय वधूवरौ संगमयांचकार. The priest of Aja united the couple in front of the holy fire. Question number 4. विवाह समये वरः कीदृशः आसीत्. कुमारी कीदृशी बभूव. How did the bridegroom and the bride appeared at the time of the marriage? विवाह समये वरः कण्टकितप्रकोष्ठः आसीत्. कुमारी स्विन्नाङ्गली बभूव. At the time of the marriage, the bride appeared with the hair of the hand in a flesh, and the bridegroom had sweating fingers. Question number 5. वध्वासः वरः कीदृशं राजमार्गं प्राप. How was the royal road when the bridegroom and the bride entered? Answer. वध्वासः वरः इंद्रायुधतोरणाङ्कं राजमार्गं प्राप. The bridegroom entered the royal road decorated like the rainbow with the bride. Question number 6. कामरूपेश्वर दत्तहस्तः कः चतुष्कमन्तः प्रविवेश. Who entered the Chatushala when Kamarupeswara gave his hand? Answer. कामरूपेश्वर दत्तहस्तः अजः चतुष्कमन्तः प्रविवेश. Aja entered the Chatushala when Kamarupeswara gave his hand. In this video we have completed the essay question and short answers. In the next video we will talk about the Sukhavarga lesson. Dhanyavadaha.